Hey guys, it's Nivea here, and today I'm going to be planning my monthly spread for April. Yeah. So I've already picked out some washi. I've got these here. I think all three of these are from Michael's, I think, Recollection brand. I'm not entirely sure, but I know I got these at Michael's, so that is where I got these. And then I have some Mambi stickers, and I might pull in some other shop stickers, and if I do, I'll let you know where that's from. But anyway, it is April. There's not a whole lot going on in April. The kids don't have any days off of school that they don't have any days off of school that I know of. I do have 2 birthdays, my brother-in-law's and my niece, whatever it is. Yeah, so those are the only birthdays I have. The only holiday, of course, is Easter or April Fool's Day, whichever one that you celebrate, or if both. I've never really done April Fool's Day. I'm not a jokester person, so yeah, never did that, but we do celebrate Easter, so we have that. And yeah, that's about it. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so yeah, that is it for my April monthly spread. I know it's pretty simplistic. Maybe when I do May's spread, I will show you what the end of this one actually looks like, so you can kind of get an idea how everything gets filled out. And yep, that is it. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you'd like, and I will see you guys later. Bye.